Hi everyone, my name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter, and today I am going to show you my recent yarn haul from Joann's, and I am going to try to do as much shopping as possible there before they shut down for good. And I was over there my local Joann's the other day, and I saw signs that they were bringing in new merchandise from their distribution center, so I may go over there today to scope out to see what they have, and if the mood strikes me, I will buy some stuff. Anyway, so first and foremost, I would like to thank all of my recent subscribers to my channel. That's excellent, it's great, and I've been seeing a lot of views on my videos, especially my completed projects video. So I hope everyone enjoys my content so far, and I plan on making more and broadcasting it to everyone worldwide. So again, I appreciate all your support and your likes and your comments, so keep them coming. And again, as a reminder, this is a safe space, so please no negative or derogatory comments of any kind. Anyway, so without further ado, here's my yarn haul. Alright, here's my yarn haul. Alright, so the first one I got 7 skeins of this. This is the Woolies from Lion Brand, and the color is Dreamcatcher, and I will include the description of all the yarns within this video in the description, and I also may do annotations in the video so you know what colors these are. So this is it's a super bulky number 6, and I've used this yarn in the past for my for the City Lights Afghan and the offshoot of the City Lights, so I may do another one just like this, but I'm going to use this color for the main part of the squares, and I'm going to do another color for the center and the border. So I've got 7 skeins of these. And then my second one is also from Lion Brand, the Woolies, and the color is Charcoal. Again, this is also our number 6 bulky weight. This is 106 yards, 6 ounces. And with the Dreamcatcher, it is 87 yards and 5 ounces. And I'm going to use this for the center and the border part. Next, I have the Big Twist Posh, and you've seen this in my other yarn haul video, but I'm going to use this as the border for my Easter, I'm calling it the Easter Bunny Afghan, because you saw the green, purple, and blue colors that I'm going to use for the yarn. And again, this is a weight number 5, and the color on this is Earl Grey, and this one is 233 yards and 7.05 ounces and 213 meters. And then the next one, I plan on doing another matching scarf and hat with this particular color. Also, it's a Big Twist. It's the Tweed brand. It's 382 yards, 6 ounces, 350 meters, 170 grams, and the color on this is chocolate. And then the next one I think I got one of these ones coming up. This is the Big Twist Value brand. Again, the color on this is Rainbow Wish, and it is a 269 yards, 4.3 ounces, 246 meters, 121 grams. So I may do some swatches with this. Next up, most of these are all from Joann's or Big Twist brand, so you're going to see a lot of Big Twist. Again, this is Big Twist Value. The color on this is Spa Stripe, and it is a 269 yards, 4.3 ounces, 246 meter, 121 grams. And that's a weight number 4. And another one, this is also Big Twist, and the color on this is Roller Rink. I just like the colors because you see like the different colors, the greens and the blues, purples, reds, oranges. Almost look like rainbow, but not quite. It's more like like you would see at an arcade. And this is also, I think, the same amount as the other one, but 269 yards, 4.3 ounces, 246 meters, 121 grams, a weight number 4. And then I also got another Posh one from Big Twist. It's another Posh. 5 yarn. This is the Posh brand, same as the gray, but the color on this is Mint Chip, even though it looks more like a teal blue, but they classify it as a mint chip. I may do swatches with this. And I also got the Red Heart Flower Power, and I am currently working on, I'm doing some samples with the green one, and they're turning out pretty well, but I'm gonna see how many squares you get from one single skein. And so yeah, this is it's more like a sakura. I classify it like sakura, the Japanese cherry blossoms that you see in the spring. You got some pinks, some like almost like fuchsias, like a fuchsia almost, like a light pink and white. That's gonna look really nice. And they call this one cherry blossom. Okay, so I was not too far off. And it is a weight number 4. It is 417 yards or 381 meters, 8.8 ounces or 250 grams. And again, on here it says you get 12 squares per skein, but I'm going to test this out just like I am with the green to see if you get more or less, because with the granny square one I've got 15. Okay, then the next 3 are the tinier ones. I saw this one on Creative Grandma's channel. They were doing a yarn haul review, and this one is Big Twist Living. This one is called, where is it? I think it was like Community, I think. The color's not even on here, but you see the pink, the blue, and the white. So I may do some swatches with this. This is a Big Twist Living. It's a 199 yards and 3.85 ounces, 182 meters or 110 grams. The next one I have, also Big Twist Living. This one is called Confidence. And you see some fuchsias or some fuchsia paint, like a hot pink or fuchsia color. Then you got some yellow and blue, a little bit of purple in there as well. Again, I may do swatches with this one. And then the last one that I got is also Big Twist Living. I kind of liked it because it reminded me of Halloween colors, like the purples and the black and gray. And this one is called Community. Okay, so I don't remember what the other color, what this one is called, because it doesn't say on the label. It actually doesn't have it at all. Alright, and then I also got, when I was in my home ec class back in 8th grade, that was many moons ago, we did a coaster project using plastic canvas, and I may revisit that project. So I may show a tutorial on that in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But it's just standard. It's Big Twist, their own brand. Alright, and that concludes my yarn haul for this time. I may go today to Joann's and see if I can find some more new yarns or crochet materials. And I did see they had a Tunisian crochet hook there. At first I didn't realize what it was, but upon research I figured out what it was. So if it's still there, I may buy it and delve into Tunisian crochet. So again, I may do another video on that, so stay tuned. Alright, so hopefully everyone enjoyed this video, and hopefully it inspires you to go out there, create some swatches or for new project ideas. If you have any questions or comments, let me know, and happy crocheting.